Welcome to Emerge.
There are so many different starting points that we all have, yet we have that shared vision of financial health for all, and that's powerful.
Emerge is really, I feel like, the signature conference for this work.
We will build a new economy that supports financial health for all. That's why we're here.
So fantastic to see the evolution of this amazing organization committed to communities and consumers and their financial health.
We now have a much more nuanced understanding of people's economic lives.
We've built a movement and we've catalyzed solutions that improve the lives of millions of people.
It's raw, right? Like in terms of talking about, equality and redlining.
I think carbon concentration is to climate what wealth concentration is to inequality.
There's just so much work still left to be done.
Look at all the areas where women are emerging.
How do we support and transform the institutions that we're putting them in?
It's about putting the consumer and the individual at the center of the analysis.
This is a field and a sector that knows how to collaborate.
How do we bring together social and economic justice?
The core elements of financial health also build climate resilience.
Gen AI has the potential to be incredibly operationally effective.
There's real value in the power of this for the economically disadvantaged.
In lending, we see opportunities for AI to increase approval rates for protected groups on the order of 10%, improve pricing for protected groups on the order of 13%. All of that is good for profits, good for people, and good for progress.
I'd call it inclusive capitalism, tapping into untapped potential in the market. Some of the numbers we've seen in the last few years, if we were to close the racial wealth gap, the black-white wealth gap, we could add $5 trillion to US GDP.
Overall, this conference gives me hope. Everyone around you is involved, so I feel like I'm with my fellow allies.
How badly do we want this to happen, and what are we willing to give up?